Their feedback is that it's quite different to the last in-house show. Last show was inside the assembly hall. Now we have an extra hall, as you can see, which is much bigger, and we can show much more. For example, we have our partners here on the which have their own booth, and we have more space for our own new developments. The highlight feature for me is our new Combi machine line, which shows new development of Bausch+Ströbel, especially flexible production, where we can combine, as the name says, different systems together as the customer wishes. And we can work for cartridges, ampoules and syringes on the same machine with 100% IPC, which shows the flexibility of the machine. Further on, for us internally, it's important that the machine is built on modular systems, so for the internal work process, the machine can build up much faster.
What I heard overall is a very positive feedback. So the main topics we are raising are the topics in the industry. That's one feedback. They are also very enthusiastic about our new machines, as well as to the openness we demonstrate and the willingness to discuss about their problems for future improvements. Well, my personal highlight definitely is the overwhelming amount of customers we have here, which made their way to our facility here, and the openness to discuss what they need in the future.
Well, what's great about this event is that it's probably one of the only opportunities where visitors can come and not only see the finished equipment in the exhibition hall, but they also get to walk around the factory and actually see the equipment being installed. And as they're doing that, they can ask the really difficult questions to the people who are really developing the technology. You know, the innovators in the technology are all here and part of this event, which I think is really exciting.
Really, this is a very pleasant event. I was really surprised with so many advancements that have been released in this event. I mean, the Combi line, for instance, is very interesting. It has a lot of advantages, compact, price-wise it's very reasonable, it's very flexible. In addition to the new technologies, for instance the digital world, the augmented reality, the virtual reality, all these technologies that Bausch+Ströbel are using to service and to support the customer is really very interesting. I mean, I never expected that work and fun can come at one place. So this is really very interesting. In addition to the or the mini messe that over here we have with 11, I think, different partners of Bausch+Ströbel. It's an opportunity to meet them and to discuss with them. There are really a lot of new things that Bausch+Ströbel have done in this event that I think is very, very interesting. Well, there's always the human side of things and there's always the technological side of things. I want to start with the human side. I mean, to be honest, coming to Bausch+Ströbel, you feel it's really a family-oriented environment. The people are very warm. It's really always a pleasure for me to come and visit here, Bausch+Ströbel. The venue with so many different people coming from many countries in the world. I mean, it's amazing. The thing that is always interesting in Bausch+Ströbel, they are always trying to stay ahead with new technologies. The R&D, they had some really nice concepts. So it's both the technology side and the human side. This is really what's always refreshing.
Augmented reality. I got introduced to this term in a very minute way elsewhere, but when I see how it can be utilized for a specialized machinery manufacturer like Bausch+Ströbel and the possibilities we have with the service, also with the machinery, it's excellent. It was an eye-opener for me, like wonderful. Hats off to them.
The main highlight that I have is it was really a good show that we can see all the technology and new improvement on BNX, be able to see the machine, talk with the specialist and ask them all the technical question, process and so. Also that we can meet our customer and show them all the improvements that we have made, not only with equipment but after sales, technologies, everything. So it was really a good opportunity for us to do that.